There goes the snowplow trucks. Oh gosh. What is the teenager riding? Whoa, I slid. Boo!
What?
What does it say?
Bethany.
Oh, I thought you were writing Bieber. Yay, Bethany. Hey!
Ouchie!
It's so sparkly. No, that guy's stupid. Driving a tractor trailer out in this weather.
Hey, people in Texas!
Don't worry, Mom, I'm gonna wash the hoodie.
She said, don't worry about it, wash the hoodie.
Here,